Hello, everyone. Welcome to Oxmoor Chrysler. I'm Gabrielle. Today I have Robert here with me. So, guys, Robert is excited to talk a little bit about a 2025. This is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. So, why don't you go ahead and start us off in the front?
All right, starting off in the front, you'll notice that we do have a steel bumper with the worn winch. Um, and going up into the grill, you'll notice that you're going to see the front camera for this guy, and you're going to notice that you'll also have hood vents. Going around to the side, you're going to notice that this one comes with the 17-inch D-block capable wheels. Around to the side, you'll notice that it has rock rails on the rocker panels. Going into the vehicle, you're going to notice that this one comes with a black leather interior with red stitching. It does have Rubicon embossed in the seat. On the dash of the vehicle, you're going to notice that you'll see a big digital display with the differential locks right below it, and it's also capable with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going around to the back, you're going to notice that it does have a 150-watt inverter with two USB-C ports and some vent-free passengers have. Going around to the back, you're going to notice it does have a bumper back here as well, and plenty of trunk space for you to put whatever you can fit.
Guys, the starting MSRP on this vehicle is $77,750. If you have any questions or would like to stop in, feel free to let us know. All of our contact info is listed right here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.